guys, Katrina Julia here. I am super excited because I am here with Claire of M2W Experiential Marketing. And she literally booked my Airbnb experience, you guys. This is hilarious. My Airbnb experience yesterday on social media and influencer marketing, amazing snacks, all the things, after coming to Atlanta directly from Ireland. So Claire, welcome to the show.
Thanks very much, Katrina. So I found Katrina online through Airbnb, like she said, and I don't know if it was jet lag, or I don't know if it was the sheer frustration of wondering who these influencers are, who we're hiring, how it works, and I was like, can you help me, please? And tonight was spectacular. If you've never experienced an hour or an hour and a half with Katrina, when you're late, like I was, okay.
I wasn't even mention it.
No. So anyway, you will learn so much, and it's fast paced, and she's definitely got my kind of personality. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm squirreling all over the place.
Which I loved, you guys. We were like squirrels, and I was like, wait, Claire, let's go back and focus.
So my staff will love that because they're like, squirrel. Anyway, it was spectacular. Just some of the information I have learned about some platforms that I never even knew existed. And I understand she's kind of a slave driver. She's gonna be after me to do my homework, which I will do, and I'm gonna be sharing a lot of this with my staff at M2W, and I do appreciate your time, really good.
Thank you so much. So just to give you guys a recap, in case you're curious, in case you're wondering, in case you want to learn more, or you're even more curious about what Claire learned. So in the social media and influencer marketing, and what she really took away from this, so I'm gonna focus on what was important for Claire, as well as M2W Experiential Marketing. So she was curious on a personal brand side, because Claire is fascinating, you guys. She lives on a boat 9 months out of the year. She works with all these incredible businesses and brands all around the globe. So it was a kind of a dual purpose conversation, and we came up with what I think is a very cool personal brand name. I'll let her do the reveal on that when she's ready.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. TBD, not right now. So not right now. Then we also talked about quite a bit on content and content repurposing, both for M2W Experiential Marketing and hers. Things like blogs, things like podcasts, and then like she mentioned, she's done already a ton of work in different things with influencer marketing. Some that she loves, some people that she loves, some that she didn't.
Some I don't understand.
Some that she doesn't understand. And like we talked a lot about this topic of reinvention. And I'm just so grateful and honored and humble that like Claire's been in marketing, you guys, for 20 years, over 20 years. Like,
Do we have?
and she looks amazing and her energy's on fire. I mean, she just got off of a plane from Ireland yesterday. Most people would be like passed out in their bed right now. Literally. She told me so many fascinating stories of like things she does when she travels. So like look for her on social, you will see her soon. And so if in case you're curious about any of those topics, you might want to check out my post or podcast on 3 tools to blog or repurpose your content for free, how to simply and easily start your podcast, influencer marketing, 5 ways to grow your reach to millions, just as some of the sneak peeks. And if you didn't know already, you might want to jump in our next 14-day challenge, just saying. Anyways, talk to you soon, you guys. Thank you for tuning in.
Peace out.
Anything else you want to say?
Nope. Peace out.
Hey you guys, I hope you're doing amazing. So the day is not over yet. So you see, now I'm doing stories. So I am here with, and I'm gonna let her introduce herself.
Hey, it's Claire Wynn. How are you?
She found me, you guys, through Airbnb, because we also list our experiences on Airbnb, and was super interested in our social media influencer marketing workshop. And she's been in marketing for over 20 years. She's done